Hey, what is up guys, this is Ronald here from Ecom Gyan. So welcome to another case study video where one of our client generated around 2 lakhs in the first month actually. So I'll just log in and I will show you the results in the business reports. So as you can see, I am in sellercentral.amazon.in. I'll quickly log in our seller account where we actually basically manage several other seller accounts. So this seller account we created just to manage other seller accounts. So here all here are the all seller accounts that we manage. So this is the seller account. This is our client seller account that I am making case study of. So here you can see already one sales happened. So I'll just go to business reports and I'll show you the results. Reports, business reports. So on August his product got live. So I'll go to August 1st and August 31st. So 2 months happened. So as you can see on the first month 87,000, which is very decent actually. I will say actually above average only, because initially 1 month, anywhere around 2 to 3 weeks is required to rank the product, to get our product to the first page. Then we can actually expect exact organic sales, which we were expecting while doing product research. So which is actually good in 1 month. And if we go to the September month, from September 1 to, let me just refresh here. Go to the customs, September 1, and today is September 25. So as you can see in September month 1,31,000, and still around 6 days are left. Already crossed 1.3. Whole together, if we see from year to date, this is actually his first product. Here you can see there are no products launched on July 31st, which is almost August 1st. His product got live, and you can see here. So he has altogether he has generated around 2.1 lakh in 2 months, which is actually above average only, like I said earlier. And here average sales order item you can see 730. So again the product is above like criteria selling price, which is above 499, which I actually prefer. So we should always pick a product which is selling, the average selling price, the competitors average selling price should be above 499. That is when we can expect a decent profit margin of somewhere around 20 to 30%. So this particular product has a profit margin of around 25%, which is pretty decent. And also one more thing is our profit margin increases because this is the first batch that he had ordered. So he ordered very less units from the suppliers. So when he orders larger quantity like 500,000 units, even 2,000 units, so the single unit price which suppliers give will be very low. That increases the profit margin. And also over the months, as we gain more reviews, so we can afford to sell our product even at higher price. So whatever the average sales here, so average sales per order item, whatever the rate is there, we can keep our selling price at a higher price because we have that kind of reviews. Then also our profit margin increases. That we have to keep in mind, especially beginners, because they tend to rush. They try to get profit right away, first month only of selling right away. Like they expect profit, they expect to make profit in the first month of selling. So that is not the game here. We have to look for the long term. So that is how I built my business. So I started back in 2017, and properly 2018 I have been doing private labeling. So that is what I learned from doing Amazon FBA e-commerce, that we have to look for a long term, because each product is an asset. Once it is on the first page for its main keywords and it crosses 15 reviews, Amazon also take care of our product. All our work will be just to restock the product. I hardly changed so back in 2018 I launched a product. Till now I am selling it. So I hardly 2 to 3 times I change the custom packaging. So here and there, now every now and then we can optimize our listing advertisement campaigns. Apart from that, we have to make sure that product is in stock. That is how we have our approach should be there when it comes to Amazon FBA business. Yeah, this is that's it for this particular case study, and I'll be uploading couple of videos on YouTube related to Amazon FBA, legal and taxation, as well as entrepreneurship mindset videos. You can also follow me on social media. I'll be active on Instagram, regularly posting reels and stories there. Yeah, that's it guys. See you in the next video.